So, what were some of the most valuable things I learned in my WRP experience? I learned the different cultures, like in terms of dances. And one thing that the most valuable that I remembered was the hula dance. I was really I was really into it because when you do the hula dance, you're not just dancing, but you're also telling a story. So that's one of the most valuable things because it has culture in it. So next is, what did you learn that was new or interesting? For me, since I haven't danced or had that group dance for a long time, and I learned that group dancing specifically, I learned that you can learn a dance step in just 1 hour and 30 minutes. So like you can maximize the dance, or how you what do you call this? How you gonna make a choreography as a group. So that's the thing that amazes me. So what was your favorite activity? Maybe for me is the group dance. I think it's pop dance. It's a 21st century dance. So, and that was my most favorite because we had, like, once we're already done and mom started playing the music, we were what do you call this? We may not be super sync while dancing, but I really enjoyed it, seeing the outcome on how we immediately made the dance more like, like we're dancing in front of an audience, even if it's just a WRP activity. But I really felt, I really felt successful when we finished the group dance. So, what activities or assignment were most helpful in your learning and why? What are your assignments are most helpful in your learning? Maybe this one, the answering of questions in week 15, which is learning and experiences, because I get to recall, and it's helpful because most of the time we see WRP as like extra workload and such like that. But making videos out of this, making reminiscing and remembering the past WRPs we did, and I think that's the most helpful, recalling, and just to make sure that WRP is still significant in our lives. And as someone who doesn't work out, so WRP is the only thing that makes me I like walking to school and things like that. This is my only, what do you call this? This is my only exercise. And next, what were the biggest challenges you face in this class? How did you overcome them? Confidence. That's the number one. And since it's dancing and I'm not confident with my body because how my body looks like while dancing, on how people view me while dancing, it's I get insecure. But as time goes by, as further activities we did, I gained confidence, and that I knew that no one's judging because we're all doing the same thing lang din, and it's beneficial. And lastly, what are your suggestions to improve this class in the future? For improvements or suggestions, I think when it comes to online activities, I suggest prevent essays because I don't know, I prefer this, talking in front of the camera rather than writing it, because when I'm talking in front of the camera, it's like I'm talking to a person. So that's my suggestion. Yeah. But like, I love doing videos rather than typing essays and such because, Turnitin and all that, it might flag as AI. So, the best thing to explain experiences or like telling or like activities, asking questions about related to physical activities, it is much best or preferable when through a video like this. So I can like say what I want, and yeah, and also prevent AI detections or anything. So that is all, and yeah.